The modern word is vegan, but Rastafarian food is Ital, no salt, and it's a combination of vegetables, legumes, and you use like coconut, rice, scotch bonnet pepper, and all of that. It's beautiful.
A lot of time when people hear about raw food, they thinking, it's just blanch, no flavor, and can you survive on raw food? So we put the fancy in the food, and the flavor, it's just wonderful.
I think in Jamaica we're pretty much vegan anyway, because we have so much produce and vegetables to choose from, fruit. So it's actually easy for us to go that route too. A vegan person traveling to Jamaica should definitely try our national dish. Our national dish is actually ackee and saltfish, but for a vegan, they could enjoy the ackee or the callaloo for sure.
A vegan traveler can experience a lot of newness when it comes to vegan food in Jamaica. You can go to a restaurant and get what is called a pleaser instead of a pizza. Something similar in nature, but it's made different and it's healthier. Like you'll have something like sunflower seed that makes the base, and on the topping will be mushroom, tomato, pepper, and whatever you want, it's your choice. And it is being done within a dehydrator, not any fire. And you could have wine. A kind of wine, you could have moringa wine. You could have soursop wine. You could have maizeberry wine. That is what, as a vegan traveler, when you come to Jamaica, you will experience.